guys, hello and welcome back to another video by Makeup by Sadie, and this is Sadie here. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe now. And also I post videos twice a week or sometimes thrice a week. So आज का look is about black and purple smoky eyes, and today's look is gonna be very heavy. This is the disclaimer I am giving because I want to go full on party look. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Applied my powder for baking. My lashes are on, and it's not my lash day today. I don't know, they were not sticking only. I somehow tried to fix them as much as possible, but this is how they stuck, and I guess they look fine. They didn't want to stick only. It was like, I don't know, it was not working today. So yeah, my lashes are done and my eye look is complete. Now I'll quickly do the base. And for blush, I'm gonna use this blush shade here. कि my highlight is popping and I told you it is gonna be a heavy look. Now that our look is so heavy, I'm gonna keep my lips light, and for the lips I'm gonna use my current favorite Elegance matte lip color by Blue Heaven. Only problem with this lipstick is कि आपको 2 कोट अप्लाई करने पड़ते हैं, एक कोट इज़ नॉट इनफ. I love how beautifully it complements my eye look, and as I told you that everything will fall in place. The eye look was not looking that great in the beginning, but you can see how beautiful it looks. And I know my lashes थोड़ी crooked है, but as I told you it wasn't a lash day, and but without the lashes this look would have been very incomplete. So yeah guys, this is what my look looks like and I am in love with it. I'll quickly do my hair and be back to you guys. So yeah guys, I have done my hair and I have done this high ponytail with a little poof here, and yeah guys, final look, and I love this look. And this top is by Shein, and अभी तो Shein बैन हो गया है तो आपको ये Shein पे नहीं मिलेगा, but as a similar top I have seen on Club Factory, so you can buy that from there. And this is what my look looks like, and yeah, it's very pretty and party like, and I love this look so much. See, this lash is so crooked, so that is the problem today. And yeah, so yeah guys, that is it for today. If you like the video, you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the notification bell for every video I post. And also guys, आपको कैसा लगा look please बताना. And I know वो जो eyes का close up shot था, that wasn't perfect because मैंने first time इतना close से shoot किया, and this happens when you blend and stuff. So I have kept it raw. मैंने उसको कोई एडिट नहीं किया एंड कोई हाइड नहीं किया, जो है वो है. बट यू हैव सीन कि फाइनल लुक परफेक्ट हो गया. एंड मैंने बिहाइंड द कैमरा कुछ नहीं किया, मैंने आपके सामने ही जो कैमरा पे मैंने आपको दिखाया, मैंने वहाँ ही ऐसे ब्लेंड एंड ऑल किया. सो या गाइज, दैट इज़ इट फॉर टुडे. बाय गाइज.